Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you want to add bullet points into a Canva presentation for whatever reason, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get into it. As you can see here, I have a text box, and it's pretty simple to add a text box. On the left-hand side, you've got text, and at the top, you can add a text box or any other type of text style. Now, what you can do is tap on that text box, make sure that it is highlighted, and you will get all of your text options running at the top of your menu. You can see just over here, it says list, okay, and it looks like the icon of bullet points. Once you click that, you will see it will change all of your text into bullet points. If you click it again, you will get numbering. And if you click it a third time, the changes will revert back to the original. And there you go. You can now create bullet points in Canva. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.